Did you know that beneath one of Islam's holiest sites lies a Roman temple, built over an even older shrine? Welcome to the Umayyad Mosque in Damascus. The fourth holiest site in Islam sits like a jewel in the heart of the world's oldest living city. But this sacred ground tells a story that spans 3,000 years. Dig beneath the marble floors and you'll find the massive stone blocks of a Roman temple to Jupiter. Go deeper still, and you'll discover the foundation of an ancient Aramean shrine to their storm god. Three civilizations, three faiths, one sacred spot. The Romans didn't destroy the Aramean temple. They built on top of it. The Muslims didn't tear down the Roman walls. They transformed them into something new. Each empire added its layer, like rings in an ancient tree. This is Damascus, where conquerors became builders, where destruction became creation, where the soul of a city proved stronger than any sword. Standing here, you're not just visiting a mosque, you're standing on the shoulders of history itself.